welcome back. This is kind of an interesting unboxing, particularly because this is totally, I don't need this product. I just bought it to try to solve a issue that I have with my Sony RX100M5, which is that when I'm filming in 4K, it overheats. Looking up solutions to how to solve it, I did run across the fact that if you use an external recorder, it could solve that problem. So when I'm doing these talking head parts of the video, the RX100 just tends to overheat. It won't go about 4 minutes without overheating. And one of the nice things is that I saw this Ninja V from Atomos, and they're like, it's inexpensive, barely, for the cost of what a recorder could be, plus all the little like intricacies that you get into. So it's pretty neat. So I decided to go ahead and pick one up, and well, I took it out of the main box already because I had it delivered to work, but why don't we go ahead and get into the unboxing. So yeah, let me change out the camera mode here and let's go. Alright, and welcome back. Here we go. We have the Ninja V with the power kit that just arrived, and let's go ahead and start getting it unboxed. I guess I already took it out of the main box because I had to bring it home from work. I had it shipped there because it's not an inexpensive item, I guess would be the more appropriate way to say it. But as we check it out here, the box is quite nice. I mean, it's about what you could expect from something. This was already peeled off when I got it, so I wonder if it just pops out. Nope. Okay, so I think I have to peel this off. And can I push out? I can. Perfect. So let's get that going. And then I think it should just be this way, right? Yep. And that is really nice right there. Get that out of the way. Wow. Get that, like, oops, let's get in. Yeah, not bad. So, I mean, pull that. Oh, wow. Yeah. That aluminum. It feels really good in the hands. I think it's too close to the screen. It's not focusing. There we go. Got it back. Anyhow, this super nice. Feels good, and it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. I mean, I knew it was going to be 5 inches, but I guess every time I saw it on a video, it just looks so much larger. But yeah, there's the Ninja V. And I think actually, if I do it this way, this will be a little easier to grab it out. Nope. Alrighty, we have warranty information as well as instructions, perhaps. So we have welcome to the family. Looks like it is a Judges type of dealio. That's interesting. It's actually a little bit too big for the bag. So, alright. Quick start guide. Sweet. I will definitely be giving that a go before I start using this thing. I've never used a recorder before, so I don't know what to expect. Alright. So here we have, I'm thinking it's a charger. Yep. What a crazy looking charger. There's like a screw-on part here. And then I believe this is where the socket goes, but because Atomos is a Australian company, I think, you need to actually put on the correct Power plug. Yep, that's not me. That's not me. That's definitely not me. So it must be this one. Yep. America and Japan, I think. Maybe a few other places, yeah. There you go, yep. That makes sense. Put that aside. Is there anything else in that? Oh. Alright, and then this is the smart caddy that's supposed to go with it. I believe that's what they're called. A caddy of sorts. There's something inside. Oh, the screws. So that you could screw it shut. Yep, that makes sense. Put that aside. That is now empty. Alright. There's this. Oh, I guess this is for power. I wonder if that screws in there. So, let's give that a quick shot. It does. Cool, so it comes with wall power. That's sweet. Somewhat worried about that. Yep, and then that just comes right off. It's either that or I just broke it. There we go, yep. That feels real nice and tight. Alright, sweet. Put that aside. I think there was one more thing in here. Nope, just a spacer. And that is another spacer. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Inside the main box, you see everything you get here. And put that aside, get that over here, and then we'll go with the power kit. So this is the power kit with 2 extra batteries and a charger. I decided to go with this instead of like a cheaper version on Amazon because it is a monitor, and I've actually broken a monitor before by putting the wrong power kit to it. So this one being much more expensive than my last one, I decided that I'd just go with the brand name. I do have these style batteries for Sony, so I'm not too worried about it, but yep. Pretty basic. Tells you how it charges. So solid red is discharged, solid green is 100% charge. And then put that aside. There you go. 5200 milliamp hour batteries. Is this just the wiring for that? So yeah, this is the exact same thing as the other deal with the plugs right there and the adapter right there. That is a bit much for when you're traveling, so I probably wouldn't bring both. Meaning I could just leave that in there, keep the rest of this stuff out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we have the power kit, the 2 batteries, the charger. We have the main unit. Let's see if this is actually proper here. Then we have the main unit right here with the wall charger, the starting guide, the actual unit itself, the plug, the extra plugs for the power, so when you're traveling, and the caddy. Alright, and let's just pull out a little bit there. And yeah, looks good. Well, thanks for checking it out, and I guess we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Alright, and now I do know that I was like peace out at the end of that little portion right there, but I did kind of want to give one last shout out, I guess you could say, because the monitor works beautifully, and probably the only complaint that I have on the monitor is that there's no instructions to it. So for someone who's a total noob like me, I have no idea what's going on, and it's a lot of just hitting a bunch of different buttons, trying to figure out how to get it to work properly. So, I mean, my setup right now, actually, if I show you, I will just record it real quick with my phone. It's fairly simple. So I obviously have the camera plugged into the recorder, and then I figured out that I could actually plug in my nice mic to the recorder as well, and so I did that, and so now I could have external sound pumping into the video that's coming in from the RX100. But overall, super happy with it. Just wish I could use it to its fullest capabilities. Going to be watching a lot of YouTube vids on that later. This video that I've been recording on has already gone over time for the usual like overheating time of the RX100, so that's pretty awesome. I really couldn't say enough good things about the way that this works. But that being said, I will let it go here, and I will see you next time. Peace.